In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable full screen in WhatsApp Web. This is a straightforward process that can enhance your viewing experience, especially if you spend a lot of time using WhatsApp Web for chats and calls. We'll explore two simple and effective methods to switch to full screen mode. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about using the F11 key. This is probably one of the easiest and quickest ways to maximize your screen space when using WhatsApp Web. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Most common ones like Chrome, Firefox and Edge support this function. Make sure you have WhatsApp Web already open and ready. Once there, simply press the F11 key on your keyboard. This action will toggle between the regular view and full screen view. The full screen view is particularly useful when you want to focus on conversations without any distractions from other open tabs or browser toolbars. And when you're ready to switch back to the regular window size, just hit F11 again and everything will revert to normal. It's that easy and convenient. Now, suppose you prefer using the browser menu for any reason. Maybe you're using a laptop without a direct F11 key access, or you just like clicking through menus. Here's another method. While in your browser with WhatsApp Web open, look for the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of your browser window. This is often referred to as the browser menu, and it holds several useful options. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you will see an option labeled something like full screen, or it might just show a square icon located near the zoom section. Clicking this will instantly switch your WhatsApp Web to full screen mode. To exit this full screen view, you can also press F11, or if you prefer using your mouse, simply move your cursor to the top of the screen. You should see a close or exit full screen button appear, often looking like an X. Click this button and you'll be back to your regular browser setup. And there you have it, two simple ways to enjoy a full screen experience on WhatsApp Web. Whether you prefer using keyboard shortcuts or browser menus, you now have the tools to maximize your screen real estate and focus on your conversations. Remember, using full screen can help minimize distractions and enhance your productivity, especially if you're on a call or working alongside multiple chats. Try it out the next time you log into WhatsApp Web. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.